welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are coming back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different but a little bit the same. I am sorry about the darkness outside. FedEx just dropped these boxes off kind of late and I was really excited to get them filmed for you, so I hope that I have enough lighting here. I also apologize for the angle. I am getting some accessories soon for my camera and I don't really have a good spot to put it right now. So in this video I am going to kind of unbox two boxes and kind of do a review. So if you guys are familiar with Catch and Dealz and you've ever purchased from them before, they have recently revamped their website. Now they have a wholesale side and a retail side, and you can get the HBA mystery boxes on both sides, but the prices are different now. On one, obviously you pay taxes on, one you don't, one you pay shipping on, and one you don't. Whereas before it was just one set price, you pay taxes and shipping on them. So I bought a large mystery box and a small mystery box at the HBA on the wholesale side. So I plan to do a video in the future comparing the wholesale lot with the retail lot to see if there's a difference in the wholesale products versus the retail products, or if it's just a pricing issue. Not issue, but difference. So I believe I paid wholesale $62 for the small box, and the big box I believe it was $109. So I did not have to pay sales tax on them because it was the wholesale side, and I did pay shipping. The shipping was invoiced to me after the fact. It is different for everybody depending on your location. My shipping for both boxes coming from Kentucky to Indiana was $32. So based on the prices of that, the small mystery boxes HBA on the retail side right now are $85 plus taxes. Shipping, you do not pay shipping on the retail side if it's over, I believe, $50. So retail for the small box I would have been paying about $90. I don't know the exact shipping amount for this box, but if I had to guess, just looking at what I paid for both of them, even if I did half and half, I'm still coming in cheaper than I would be just paying retail. So yes, I do believe for me, living so close to them, it is cheaper to do the wholesale route, but I've seen somebody in Florida who said it was about the same because of the shipping costs doing wholesale versus retail. But now I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxings and we'll see what the difference is as far as the large box and the small box goes in quality of products and item count. There is supposed to be 50 items in the small box. I am going to start with the small box, so we will count and make sure there is actually 50 and we'll go from there. I don't believe the large one is marketed with a certain count, or maybe it is 100, I don't know. It's different with the retail and wholesale, so I'll put that in the editing process. But let's go ahead and get started. I do have my assistant, Jacob, here, and he's gonna be helping me. So looking in the box, it's about halfway full, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have a few of these. It looks like they are aloe vera foot masks. I've got 2 of the red ones and 2 of the green ones. The green ones are tea tree masks for your foot, so there's 4. I have a non-contact forehead thermometer. I have 6 just basic toothbrushes in plastic wrappers. Bye Bye Bloat. I don't know the brand. Love Wellness. Still in date, sealed. Looks like there's one of those. A little bit of makeup here, some L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. 2 Garnier Fructis Curl Sprays. I've got a bottle of Equate Baby Powder. A bottle of Tom's mouthwash. These are the kinds of things I sell in my local group. I've Got 2 of these. I think they're just bags of tissues. I think they might be cleansing wipes. I think these are like stronger than regular tissues. I think they're more like cleansing. I don't know. It says wet and dry dual use, which regular Kleenex don't have that. I have some Gillette foamy shave gel. We have a bottle of Centrum Silver, still in date and sealed. We've got 2 bath bombs. I keep all bath bombs for myself. 2 bottles of Immune Defense. Defense is spelled with a C and not an S. That's still in date. So I think it's elderberry with zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. 2 things of Ban roll-on deodorant. These things also do really well in my group. I have some scented wax melts. I have peppermint and wood sage and sea salt. I have 2 packs of Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. These also sell pretty quickly in my group. So if you guys have not seen my video, I'll link it up here. I did do a video recently talking about my Facebook group, what kinds of items I sell in there, what items do well in there, and so that's what I'm referencing when I say these items do well in my group. Now I have a kind of squash box of some Band-Aid water blocks. Things like this we might save for ourselves, or I'll post in my group, because just one little box of Band-Aids is not going to sell very well on eBay. I have a couple of boxes of this Sensitive Chamomile. I cannot say the brand name, so I have no idea if this is a good brand or not, but they're still in date. I got 4 of these. I've got 2 bottles of Bio Schwartz elderberry syrup. This one is squashed a little bit, but they are still sealed and still in date. I've got 2 boxes of this Abs Muscle Stimulator 6-pack toner cream. These kinds of things usually have expiration dates. They're still in date. This is a case pack of Janixa Kids Cough and Chest Congestion Cough Syrup. I'm not sure if it's like, it says it's made from organic blueberries. It's still in date. Here is a second L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Then I have a Neck Gator Buff Brand Cool UV. It looks like it keeps you cool. I have 2 boxes of this Hot Slim Cream. I have sold some of these before. I might still have a listing up on eBay. I'll have to check. It's a box of exfoliating foot peel masks. Another box with a different brand of the foot peel masks. Okay, I've got little ears here, so I'm just going to hold this up. I don't know if you can read that, but I'm not going to say it. This is Terra Myosin Pet Eye Health Ointment Drops. This honestly looks like it is something prescription strength. It is not expired, but I don't know if this is something I might actually try and sell or not. I have to see if this is something that's prescription or not. It does not have any like pet names on it or anything like that, but it looks prescription strength. It's made in Switzerland. The box is falling apart. Oh, there's actually 2 of them. I have a 1-pack of, well, it's got 4 of them in it, but Oral-B cross-action brush heads. I've been selling a lot of these lately, not this exact kind, but brush heads that I've gotten in my lots. I have an It Cosmetics, the box is a little falling apart, It Cosmetics CC Cream, still in date. Also an It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores translucent powder. I have Rapid Reduction Eye Cream. These are all like off-brands. I have a Kilo Coat Scar Gel, still in date. I have a Eva Gloss Dark Spot Serum with kojic acid. I don't know what kojic acid is. And then I have 2 Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Sounds fancy. I'm not really sure how much it's worth or anything like that. So this is the last item in here. We're going to go ahead and count them up, see if there's 50 items. There was actually 60 items, so that is great. There was extra. I will put the cost per item on the screen. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the large box now, and I will give you an item count at the very end, but looking at it already, I think I like it better than the small box. So we'll go ahead and see what kind of items we've got in this box, but it looks a little different than what we got in the other box. So the first item I see is going to be a 15-day detox Brazilian tea. And it is good until 2024. I see a couple of these speed sticks, which, again, deodorant does really well in my group. My husband uses speed stick as well, so I've got 4 of these. Found a 5th one, 5 of them. I've got some Vicks Hydrocool or Hydrosoothe Winter Frost Menthol cough drops. Cough drops also do well in my group. Some more of the band deodorant. This, I'm not going to pull it out, but it is a 40-inch black party wig. I have a bottle of Goli Ashwagandha Gummies. I've got 2 of these Bump Stopper aftershave treatments. Some Nature's Way White Oak Bark for digestion. Still in date and still sealed. I've got a bottle of Hair, Skin, and Nails Biotin. It is still sealed and still in date. It looks like it melted a little bit, so I may end up keeping these for myself since they are a little slimy. Some small black nitrile, I don't know if I'm saying that right, gloves. I have another band, but this one actually broke open, so we're gonna set this one to the side. Now my box smells like baby powder. That's fun. I will have to open this. It's a perfect beard trimmer, but the bottom of the box is broken. Honestly, it doesn't look like it was pulled out. It's just broken. So this could be something that I might sell locally in my group. I have another couple of bottles of the Goli Ashwagandha Gummies. So there's 2 here, plus another one down here. Those are 4 bottles. Goli is something that I know people have gotten Veros for on eBay, so since I cannot sell supplements anywhere else, I'll probably post them on my local group. But Goli is a good name brand. I have another of the cellulite cream. I have face shadow. It says face shadow. These are sunglasses. Ooh, kind of stylish. And they've got a cute carrying case. This is super fancy. I don't even know what it is. Kaposi Professional Styling Scents. Ooh. Look at that. So this looks like a curling iron or a flat iron of some sort. This looks like a really fancy flat iron. I don't know if this is a good brand or anything like that. I'll have to do some comps, and maybe if I find anything worthwhile, I will put them on the screen in the editing process. I've got some bigger bottles. I've got pre, intra, post some brand watermelon recovery mix, the Targo. Stuff like this usually is worth quite a bit of money. It's really heavy though. And then I have this one. Is Owen chocolate protein powder. It is also still in date. This one's not as heavy. Still sealed. Both of them are still sealed. We've got 2 more packs of the wipes. A Azure for 24 karat gold peel off mask. You would think that these would be worth a lot of money, being 24 karat gold, but I found they typically aren't, but it might be. If it's worth a lot, I will put the comps up on the screen. Another deodorant. I've got 3 hand masks, honey and milk. I'll probably sell these in like a set. Myosin Advanced Repair Foot Cream for very dry skin. We've got another of the cellulite cream. Makes it actually 4 hand masks. I have at least 2 more bath bombs. I have a couple more bottles of the elderberry syrup. 2 more of the Neutrogena cleansing wipes. I've got a box of Rock retinol night serum capsules. Rock's a pretty decent brand of skincare. Some mouth guards, dental mouth guards. I've got 2 more boxes of the slimming cream. Atmos Skin 10-minute purification mask. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if it's good or not. An eyebrow trimmer. Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Still in date. I've never heard of this brand, but it looks like a high-end brand like Cetaphil and Eucerin, so I'll have to look that up. I have a neck firming cream. It looks like a generic, but it's still in date. This is a supplement of some sort. Alipotech something root. Tejicote root. It's a weight loss, that's all I know. There's stickers covering it, and it is still in date and sealed, so I'll have to do a little bit of research on that. So this has some of that deodorant on it and part of the wig hair, so that's kind of gross, and I'll probably just toss these because that's kind of gross to me. But it says these are toe separators. They're like latex and squishy. And I have a box of natural or vitamin C serum. I don't see an expiration date on it. I have 2 kind of smashed bottles of BioSwartz liquid chlorophyll. Depending what they look like, I might just try selling them without the box. The expiration date's kind of even worn off the box, so I'll have to check the bottle. I have a premium nature grapeseed oil, still in date. Okay, so I have 4 bottles of each of the supplements I'm going to show you. This is an Amazon Elements Biotin 5000, still in date. I got 4 of these Biotins. I have Biotin Soft Gels with coconut oil, Zeal Naturals, still in date. So I have got 4 of these. All of them are sealed. And then I have 4 bottles of Vimerson Health Ceylon Cinnamon. And these are also still in date. I had somebody ask me the other day if I had cinnamon supplements, a neighbor. So I'll probably reach out to her, see if she wants these first, and then post them as well. So this is my whole box. It is empty. I have to say that I am very pleased with this large box. I have only gotten 1 large box from Catch and Dealz before, and I wasn't as pleased with that one, but I do have to say I'm very pleased with this one. I'm gonna, after we end the video, I'm gonna go ahead and count up the items, see how many items they were. I'll post it in the editing process. Yeah, other than that, I definitely feel like there is a difference in this lot. I would say that I feel that the larger box, not only did it clearly have more items, but I feel that the price point per items they were higher quality items. They were higher profit items. And generally speaking, I know that that's not how it typically goes with Catch and Dealz. You don't see that very often. So I don't know if this is a fluke or if it's because this is wholesale or what. So I'm going to probably play around with it in the coming weeks and months, just testing them out and see the retail versus the wholesale and all of that. Again, it is a little bit cheaper for me living so close doing the wholesale end, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any other ideas that you want me to do, test out, or whatever, post it in the comments below. Please, please, please give this video a like, a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.